Meaning of fiddling.
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 Fiddling. Fiddling refers to the act of making small, often unnecessary adjustments or movements, typically with one's hands. It can also refer to tinkering with something in a way that is unproductive or results in only minor improvements. The result of fiddling may vary depending on the context, but it generally leads to a waste of time or resources and little to no significant impact on the outcome. In some cases, fiddling can even cause damage or make the situation worse. It is important to avoid fiddling and focus on more productive actions to achieve desired results.